Welcome to Transylvania, a land where history, legend, and breathtaking landscapes weave together into an unforgettable story. Nestled in the heart of Romania, this region is famous for its Gothic castles, wild forests, and mysterious folklore. But beyond the myths, Transylvania is a place of vibrant culture, welcoming people, and pristine nature waiting to be explored.
The backbone of Transylvania is the Carpathian Mountains, a dramatic chain of peaks and valleys that create a natural fortress around the region. Covered with thick forests and dotted with alpine meadows, these mountains are home to brown bears, lynx, and wolves. For hikers and nature lovers, they offer endless trails, hidden waterfalls, and breathtaking viewpoints.
Transylvania is perhaps most famous for the legend of Dracula. Inspired by Bram Stoker's novel, the myth blends fact and fiction, drawing on the real figure of Vlad the Impaler, a ruthless 15th century ruler. While the story of the bloodthirsty vampire is fictional, it has given Transylvania an aura of mystery that still fascinates visitors from around the world.
Perched dramatically on a rocky hill, Bran Castle is often linked to Bram Stoker's Dracula, even though the connection is more myth than fact. Its winding staircases, stone walls, and imposing towers inspire both awe and curiosity. Visitors wander its chambers imagining medieval rulers and dark legends echoing through the halls. If this journey through legends and castles fascinates you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to DSV Travel Trip. There are many more wonders waiting to be explored together.
In contrast, Peleș Castle near Sinaia is a masterpiece of elegance and beauty. Built in the late 19th century as a royal residence, it combines German Renaissance and Neo-Renaissance styles. With its richly decorated rooms, stained glass windows, and carved wooden details, Peles feels more like a fairy tale palace than a fortress. It's one of Europe's most beautiful castles.
Another jewel of Transylvania is Corvin Castle, also known as Hunyadi Castle. This massive Gothic structure, complete with drawbridges and high towers, is one of the largest castles in Europe. Legends say it was once a prison for Vlad the Impaler. Today, its medieval halls and dungeons transport visitors straight into the world of knights and epic battles.
Beyond castles, Transylvania boasts charming cities. Sibiu, once a powerful Saxon town, is famous for its pastel-colored houses, cobblestone streets, and squares full of life. The eyes on the rooftops of Sibiu give the impression that the city itself is watching you, adding to its mysterious charm. It's a blend of medieval history and modern cultural vibrancy.
At the foot of the Carpathians lies Brasov, a city framed by mountains and forests. Its old town features Gothic architecture, colorful houses, and the Black Church, the largest Gothic church in Eastern Europe. Brasov is also the gateway to many nearby castles and hiking trails, making it a perfect base for exploring both history and nature.
Cluj-Napoca, the unofficial capital of Transylvania, is a lively university city with a youthful spirit. Its squares and cafes are filled with energy, while historical monuments like St. Michael's Church remind visitors of its rich past. Cluj is also a cultural hub, hosting music festivals, art events, and theater performances that show the creative side of Transylvania.
Perhaps the most picturesque town in Transylvania is Sighisoara, a perfectly preserved medieval citadel. With its clock tower, narrow lanes, and colorful houses, it feels like stepping into the Middle Ages. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is also the birthplace of Vlad the Impaler, tying history and legend together in one enchanting location.
Scattered across the countryside are fortified Saxon villages, each with its own church surrounded by defensive walls. These unique structures were built centuries ago to protect communities from invasions. Today, they offer a glimpse into rural life, where traditions are still alive and landscapes are dotted with rolling hills, farmland, and timeless charm.
In Transylvania's rural villages, life moves at a slower pace. Horse-drawn carts, wooden gates, and hand-painted houses reflect a lifestyle unchanged for generations. Visitors can experience traditional crafts like weaving and pottery, or taste homemade cheese and plum brandy. These villages preserve the authentic soul of the region, far from the crowds of modern cities.
Transylvania is one of the last great wilderness areas in Europe. Its forests are so dense and vast that they often feel untouched by time. They are home to Europe's largest population of brown bears, along with deer, lynx, and rare birds. Ecotourism and wildlife watching are becoming increasingly popular, offering visitors a chance to connect with raw nature.
Among the hills and mountains stand the ruins of forgotten fortresses. Some are hidden deep in the forests, where crumbling walls and towers echo with the whispers of the past. Local legends tell of secret passages, ghostly appearances, and treasures still buried beneath the stones. These sites fuel the sense of mystery that defines Transylvania.
The Apuseni Mountains, in western Transylvania, are known for their caves and underground wonders. With over 4,000 caves, including the stunning Sighisoara ice cave, they reveal a magical underground world. Hiking in the Apuseni also brings you to peaceful meadows, waterfalls, and villages where time seems to stand still.
One of the most unusual attractions in Transylvania is the Turda salt mine. Once an industrial site, it has been transformed into a fascinating underground theme park. Visitors can walk through giant chambers, ride a Ferris wheel, or even row boats on a salt lake. It's a surreal blend of history, science, and entertainment.
Food is an essential part of Transylvania's story. Traditional dishes like sarmale, polenta with cheese, and hearty soups reflect the mix of Romanian, Hungarian, and Saxon influences. Meals are often accompanied by local wine or plum brandy, making dining a cultural experience in itself. Sharing food here is more than nourishment, it's a celebration of heritage.
Transylvania is alive with traditions, folklore, and music. Villages celebrate seasonal festivals with costumes, dances, and rituals passed down through generations. The rhythms of violins, drums, and flutes fill the air, while dancers in vibrant costumes turn every square into a stage of living history. These moments are more than festivals, they are bridges between past and present, inviting every visitor to join the heartbeat of Transylvania.
Tales of spirits, werewolves, and witches add to the region's aura of mystery. These traditions keep the soul of Transylvania alive and connect visitors to a timeless cultural heritage.
Despite its ancient history and folklore, Transylvania is not stuck in the past. Modern cities like Cluj and Brașov balance innovation with tradition. Young generations are revitalizing old crafts, opening boutique hotels, and blending medieval charm with contemporary life. This mix of old and new makes Transylvania dynamic and full of surprises.
Transylvania is a land where myths and reality intertwine, castles rise above misty hills, forests guard ancient secrets, and villages keep traditions alive, as if time stood still. Whether you come chasing the legend of Dracula, exploring wild landscapes, or meeting the warmth of its people, Transylvania will stay with you long after you leave. And as the mountains fade into the horizon, remember, every journey here is more than travel. It's a story waiting to be lived again.